The car and the star Barb has a car. She drives far. At night, she stops. She sees a star. Barb and the star shine bright. The turn and the burn. Kurt makes a turn. He sees a fern. The fern is near a flame. The flame starts to burn. Kurt and the fern stay safe.
The stirring spoon. Myra stirs soup. She uses a big spoon. The soup smells good. Myra takes a sip. Myra and her spoon stir more. The few new toys. Drew has new toys. There are only a few. He plays with joy. The toys are fun. Drew and his toys play all day. The moon and the balloon. Moon sees the moon. She has a balloon. The balloon floats high. It touches the moon. Moon and the moon smile. The fork and the cork. Mark has a fork. He finds a cork. The cork is on the floor. Mark picks it up. Mark and the cork go for a walk. The saw and the paw. Paw has a saw. He cuts wood. The wood is strong. Paw makes a bench. Paw and the saw work well.
Autumn leaves. Autumn is here. The leaves fall down. They are red and gold. Kids play in the leaves. Autumn and the leaves are fun.
The book and the cook. Brooke reads a book. She learns to cook. She makes a good meal. The cook helps her. Brooke and the cook enjoy the meal.
The fort and the sport. Mort builds a fort. He plays a sport. The fort is strong. Mort feels proud. Mort and the fort make a great team.